Okay, hello and welcome. My name is Amit Baskara, and for the assignment for PNP4 February 2019, I decided to go ahead and create Tic-Tac-Toe. But first, let me go ahead and say that Infogamer is the person that I kind of based my version of Tic-Tac-Toe off of. He helped me a lot with his 12-part tutorial. Really helped with the coding and everything, and then even the UI. So yeah, good video tutorial from him. Here's my Trello board. I have pretty much everything completed except for the posting and then the video link. I have some references for the Unity 3D page, which has a lot of information on arrays and whatnot, as well as his Infogamer's link right here for the tutorial, as well as the references of the images that I use in my game. So let's go ahead, get right into it. Not pause, sorry, play. So right away you can go ahead and choose between these two. So let's go ahead and just win once with X. So you can win that way. You can win, through the middle. Win this way. Win basically every single way, and then also with O. That. Yeah, you can win every single way. In fact, I can show you all the ways by pressing this. Those are all the different combinations and scenarios. You can also rematch, like I've shown already. After you press that, you can rematch, or after winning, you can restart, which clears the board, and then once again, you can go ahead and, not to mention that once you click, you can't then switch back to X, or else that would be against the rules, of course. Let's go ahead and get a draw real quick. Once you get a draw, nothing happens. The cat face pops up, and then yeah, you can either rematch or restart once again. That's pretty much the gist of it. I can go ahead and show you guys some of my code. Go right here. So I've got my information as well as the reference that I used. These are all the variables, the score text, the actual scores, the lines for the display, as well as the buttons and the cat image. All of that's there. So we go ahead, we start up the game here. It starts off by initializing the turns. It counts the turns. Then we have the spaces, as well as the images for the buttons or the box. Don't use that. These are the fact that the buttons are interactable. Go down here, we check to see if there's a draw, and that's the case where if you've used up every single square, that's why it says turn count equals 9, and then nobody's won, which is false. Then you get the draw. This is for the icon above the name, so that's the little black dot that you guys saw that was switching between. These are all the different scenarios that you can get. So once you get one of them, it shows a display. This is that display. So when someone wins, this shows up, and as well their score goes up each time. That's the code for that. Down here is the code for the rematch, and then the restart. Pretty self-explanatory right there. And then this is the code for switching between right at the beginning, choosing which symbol you want. And then this is the cat image as well as the draw, and then the draw text. So that's pretty much all I have for code. And I can show some of the other things like the bar and stuff. Not really much else. The background, the grid, canvas, they're all here. Then this is the game controller. Of course, this is where all the big stuff happens, where it initializes all the values. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have. I've organized this. There wasn't that much. This just came with the first scene that I opened up because of the update. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.